Today I'll show you how to open the hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. You can do that from the quick settings menu. You can look at mobile hotspot there and you can simply do one tap and you will see that the hotspot is connected. And if I do here for internet, I'm not connected to the hotspot. This is the hotspot here, but it's not connected. It's connected to the Wi-Fi. The client is connected to the Wi-Fi, and now my other phone is connected to the hotspot of the Samsung phone. You can see that there is a device connected in the settings of the hotspot. So here I have mobile hotspot. I can do a long press on it. When you do a long press on the mobile hotspot, you go to the settings and you see the device connected and how much bandwidth it's been using. That's how it looks like. I could set a data limit here if I wanted to for this device, and I could also pause sharing for that device. That's my Sony Xperia phone. You can get to the same menu from the settings here. So I am here in the connections. So if you open the settings app, you open the settings app here on your Samsung phone, and then you go to connections. On the connections page, look for mobile hotspot and tethering. So you have here mobile hotspot. If I press on mobile hotspot, I can turn it off if I want to, and I can see the information. I can see the password. I could change the password if I want to. This is the password. And here you have a setting for the bandwidth. If you want to connect older devices, you will enable it like that, or even 2.4 gigahertz. The old Wi-Fi was like this, 2.4 gigahertz. The faster, newer Wi-Fi is 5 gigahertz, but it's also less compatible. So if I need to use both of them, I have to turn off the Wi-Fi. And now the Samsung phone is connected to 5G, to the mobile data, and the Wi-Fi is turned off because it's trying to use both 2.4 gigahertz, and I cannot turn on the Wi-Fi unless I turn off the mobile hotspot. So this is an option to think about if you want to use mobile hotspot. It's more convenient if you use the 5 gigahertz mode only. Like this, you can use the Wi-Fi on one frequency to connect to a router and then share it with another device. So now I can turn on the Wi-Fi while the mobile hotspot is running, and it's sharing. Now the Samsung phone is sharing the actual Wi-Fi from the router here, even though it's connecting like that. So the Sony Xperia phone on the right is connected to the Samsung phone on the left here, and actually the Samsung phone doesn't need to use the mobile data. It's using the Wi-Fi and sharing the Wi-Fi. This is a really convenient option. So that's how you open the hotspot, and you can also use a QR code. The QR code will make things easier to join a new device to this network. You can keep this as long as you want, and when you're finished with it, you can turn it off from here. And the next time when you enable the hotspot, you can turn off the hotspot from here with one tap, and also with one tap you can re-enable it. And any devices that are already paired with this hotspot, with this phone, will automatically connect if there is no other network. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you connect to the internet.